After midnight, a little girl approached one of the houses. She looked terrified, as if she was running from something.
Help, please. Please help.
The girl asked the homeowner for help, but he refused to open the door. He just stood there and watched. Later, it was revealed that her story was tragic. Her name was Serenity Dennard, who went missing on February 23, 2019. Sadly, her fate remains unknown to this day. The next video was filmed in Alabama, where two children were home alone. A woman approached their house, claiming to be their mother.
It's just, your mother's here. Mommy's home. Mommy's home.
She tried to open the door several times, then started ringing the doorbell repeatedly. It was later discovered that she had been watching the house for some time. When she noticed the parents leaving, she moved in closer. It seemed she was planning something dangerous. The third video was recorded in 2021. A woman living alone began noticing someone watching her house for an entire month. This strange man often came closer to the property late at night. She said she reported it to the police multiple times, but all her complaints were ignored. In most of the videos, the man stood completely still, as if waiting for her to leave the house, but sometimes he would whisper strange things to himself. The woman later said, "I became too afraid to even step outside. I never knew what might happen." Strangely, the police still didn't intervene, even though his behavior clearly showed he was planning something dangerous. The following video was filmed in Texas. A little girl was walking home, unaware that she was about to face a terrifying situation. Two men were following her from a distance, watching every move she made. When the girl realized it, she tried to seek help. Her mother told them she was calling the police, and the men immediately fled the area. If her mother hadn't intervened in time, no one knows what could have happened. In 2021, another video showed a woman approaching a house with a man right behind her. He was trying to hide his face the entire time, suggesting they were up to something.
Hello, do y'all have a phone I can use? My car broke down, and y'all's the only one that got a light on.
We don't.
You don't?
Sorry.
The woman claimed their car had broken down. but there was no car in sight. The homeowner realized something was wrong and quickly locked the door. The man then pulled out a gun and tried to break in, but their attempt failed. In another case, around midnight, a woman approached a house and began asking for help. She kept looking behind her constantly, as if someone was following her.
Stop, please, no. No, please.
It was later revealed that the woman had been kidnapped, held captive for 4 days, and subjected to rape and torture. Thanks to the surveillance footage, police were able to identify and arrest the suspect. He was later charged with serious crimes, including rape and attempted murder. The homeowner could have helped her but chose to hide instead, a truly cowardly act. At around 2 a.m., another strange man approached a house, acting erratically as if under the influence of drugs. Most viewers later said he looked like an addict, confused, distracted, and unstable. Fortunately, the homeowner did not open the door. Always make sure your doors are locked. You never know what could happen.
I'm finna shoot you. I got my gun. Hold on. Stay right there. Stay right there. Hey, you going around?
A group of criminals tried to break into a house, but the door was securely locked. The homeowner warned them that he would shoot if they didn't leave. The intruders immediately fled the scene.